키캣! 이거 봐! 이거 다 너한테 온 팬레터야. 답장으로 사인 보내자. 100장쯤이면 될 것 같지? 인기에는 대가가 필요하지. 잘 해봐. 시간은 좀 걸리겠지만. 안녕. Today we're going to look at a really useful but slightly advanced grammar form. So before starting this lesson, I recommend that you've got a good understanding of all of the basics, including conjugating verbs, using adverbs, and making full conversations. Here's the form that we're going to be learning about. Take a noun and attach un if it ends in a consonant, or attach 는 if it ends in a vowel. Then attach 건영, and you're done. So the noun 집, meaning house, would become 집은 건영. And 학교, meaning school, will become 학교는 건영. This form is used to express that whatever comes before it is something that will likely not happen. Also, by doing that, it shows that whatever comes after it has even a lower chance of happening. In English, we can express the same sort of thing with the expression let alone. This can also be expressed with the expression forget. For example, forget the entire thing, I can't even eat one piece. The actual way you translate this into English is completely up to you. And here's a small chart showing how to use it. We have A, which is the noun that comes before this form, and B, which is the rest of the sentence after. So this means that A is likely not going to happen. But B, which is something even more basic than A, has an even lower chance of happening than A. So this grammar form is used to emphasize that because B, something very basic, won't happen, that means that A is definitely not going to happen. Because if B can't even happen, then how could A happen? Am I right? Anyway, so this form is used with nouns, but remember that action verbs can also be changed to nouns using 기. With action verbs, just take the stem of the action verb and attach 기는 건영, and the rest is the same. And although it's not required, you'll find this form is often used in negative sentences. Okay, so let's take a look at some example sentences using this form. 소갈비는 커녕 빵 사 먹을 돈도 없어요. Forget beef ribs. I don't even have the money to buy bread. Again, how you translate this is completely up to you as long as you understand how this form is used. 도움이 되기는커녕 방해만 된 것 같아 죄송해요. I'm sorry because I think I was only a disturbance, let alone being helpful. 사람은커녕 개미 한 마리도 안 보인다. I can't even see one ant, let alone a person. 이 성적이면 취업은커녕 졸업도 힘들 것 같네요. With these grades, I think even graduating will be difficult, let alone finding a job. 한자는커녕 한글도 잘 못 써요. Forget 한자, I can't even write 한글. And that's all for today. You can also learn more about this topic in the extended PDF version of this lesson, which you can download for free on my website. Thanks for watching, and remember that new videos are posted here every week. So if you like what you see, click subscribe. 그럼 다음에 또 봐. 키캣, 사인 아직 안 했어? 빨리 해야지. 오늘 보낼 거란 말이야. 이제 시작할 거라고? 그걸 언제 다 해? 제 시간에 끝낼 수 있겠네.